Alright, hi everyone. Today I'm going to do a quick review of how to do a hanging indent. So I've gotten a lot of questions and emails about how do we do the hanging indent. And so you'll see here I have my senior paper opened on my Google Doc, and I've scrolled down to the last page, was my annotated bibliography page. Right now I only have 2 sources on here, but you guys will obviously have 6 sources. So I'm just going to show you how to do it with these 2 sources here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the very end of the first line. Okay, so go all the way to the end of the first line, and you want to click at the end of the first line, and you'll see here I have my blinking cursor here now at the end of the first line. Once you've clicked at the end of the first line, you want to hit the return or the enter button. And when you click the return or the enter button, you'll see that your cursor has moved from the end of the first line to the beginning of the second line. Once your cursor is here, then you want to find in the paragraph option of your iPad, there's this button that says increase indent, and it's a whole bunch of little lines, and then there's an arrow that's pointing to the right. If you click that button, it will scoot or indent all your other lines over. And this is what we call a hanging indent. So all of these lines underneath the first line are hanging, or they're pushed over, and only the first line is touching the left side of the paper. Once you've done your hanging indent, you want to go ahead and make sure you don't forget to put your annotation at the bottom. So this is where you talk about what the article was about. And then you also tell us how you use this article. And so forth. Okay, so you should have at least 2 to 3 sentences underneath every citation. I'm just going to do it over again with the second citation. So again, I'm going to go to the end of my first line and press enter. I'll see my cursor has moved down to the second line, and then I'll find the indent button here, and there you go. That's how you do your hanging indent.